So we're going to show you how to use foil gel today. So you're going to want to pop a thin, even layer across the entire nail for a full coverage nail foil. We're going to use Floral Foil today for our full coverage. And place it where you want it. Run your finger up the spine and then press into all those edges and corners, following by giving it a good rub with a lint-free pad. Once you've finished rubbing, you probably want to rub some more, and then you can very gently peel that foil away, making sure that you've not left any behind. For full coverage foil, you do need to cure it for 2 minutes. So the next technique we're going to show you is embossing. So if you had a half and half nail and you wanted a foil line down the middle, I'd suggest that you do a matte top coat first and then give it a good wipe with your finishing wipe. Then going to want to take your striper brush, run it through your foil gel and then run it down the centre of the nail or wherever you want to place your line or your embossed piece. Making sure it's nice and neat, as wherever you put that foil gel is where your foil is going to stick. And then you want to cure that in the lamp. You probably only need to do this for 60 seconds for this technique. And then you can just press your foil over your foil gel and remove. And it's just that simple. And then we would just top coat over the top. So our next technique is just going to be the dabbing method. We're going to use rose gold here. You just apply your foil gel all over evenly as you did before. Again, you only need to cure it for 60 seconds for this purpose, and then literally just dab away where you want it. So for this particular nail, I'm going to matte top coat it just to give a different look to the others. And then here are your final 3 looks. Let me know what you think.